ating officials for this ball game. Ed Dakiwag wins the tip para sa Pangasinan. Karandang fires the three. Yes, sir! Good way to start the ball game. 3 ball. Mabula quickly to Ed Dakiwag. Dakiwag ginamitan ng konting pektos.
Kinailangan niya protektahan yung bola.
Celis fires and hits.
And that's one word that this player from Bulacan certainly knows, to fire the tough catch.
Yeah.
He even had to spin off.
Forced that one.
He did. He had an open guy, Celis, in the corner, which led to the easy 2 on the other end. Mike Mabula.
Yeah.
Nice pass.
Celis from the corner. That's good. Pangalawang tres ni Jason Celis.
On-ball defense, the drive, and then over-helping to leave Celis for a second 3.
And that's it. 1,000 rebounds para kay Michael Mabulak.
Yun lang, nabagsakan ng paa.
In the first quarter. Casey Karandang. Steal by Mabulak.
Nice.
Michael Mabulak. 8.
Turning his ankle on the foul. Tumayo, bumalik, nakaagaw. Ito, ang ganda pa ng finish.
Hernandez with a rebound. Celis will fire. That's good. Tatlong tres na yan para kay Jason Celis. He's got 9 points in the ball game. Dakiwag. Corner 3. Gabriel. Wala.
What a rebound.
Melencio too strong. And Michael Mabulak cleans it up.
A beautiful offensive rebound.
As they did against Batangas and Manila. Sa Delf, Coach Chris.
Maraming salamat, Mika. And ito si Coach Gerson. Shows meron pa rin yan kahit papano as we take a look at this fast break of the game. Brought to you by New Star Max, to win to the max.
At the end of the day, it's part of the business.
Slam dunk champion, by the way, Christian Luanzon. Gabo for 3, and he knocks it down.
That shot, as soon as it left his hands.
Back to live action. Gabo again. Hesed Gabo.
You could see it 20 miles away as soon as he got the basketball.
Ibanez from the corner. That's off the side of the board. Jumper, wala. And a putback from Nino Ibanez.
Now, they start the second quarter up by 6.
Japs Bautista knocks down the 3.
Make that.
Grito. Yes, Taganas, Miligrito. I love that move.
Ham time.
Watch this Buenas play of the game. So, Jack Miligrito, ilang ball fake yung ginamit niya doon.
Gabo sa sahig, but still able to finish on the tough angle. And how about the classic pass?
Well, the heat waves.
I can say that, by the way, as a former teammate.
Oo, sige.
Paulo Hubalde inserted back after a few minutes on the bench.
Hubalde. What a move.
Yeah.
Para sa kakampi niya, Bautista.
Kaya ang basketball si Del. As you see, the nice pass by Bautista.
Na, medyo nabigla ako doon.
Walang hugot yan, ha?
Ayan, oh. The Hesed Gabo, definitely not. Celis.
Pull up.
Nice. Off the in and out dribble. JC Karandang is back in the ball game. Paulo nakawala. Paulo Hubalde. Basket and 1.
Pretty much the same play. And we'll get to the line for a +1 opportunity.
Let's go to Mika Bisaka. And you see it in Paulo Hubalde's routine. As Meneses puts it in for 2.
And as a former...
Here's Melencio. Meneses. Kumpiyansa na.
Yun, mas good.
They've been down for most of the first half. Naagaw ng Pangasinan. Villamor. Villonar. Easy two. 19 points of turnovers. Oh, steal by Meneses. Will we see a dunk? Oh, layup lang.
So kita mo rin respetong binibigay nila kay Paulo Hubalde. Every time he uses that screen, hard show sila, no? And ito, off the curl, Celis Smith opens up the offensive rebound for mga prominent names in basketball. Obviously, Hubalde, di ba? Tapos Calagio, kung di ako nagkakamali, taga dyan si Kuya Christian.
Yeah. Jumper by Ibanez and he knocks it down. Dati hindi ko nakikita ano yan nasisira buhok ni Coach Christian
Yun na doon na ako papunta Sinisira mo yung magandang 3 points at run.
Kailangan may replay tayo. 3-point shot of the game brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances. Ed Dakiwag knocking it down from the corner.
Good performance today. He had 26 points against Abra, 16 points against Valenzuela, but with 10 assists. Sabi ko, do you feel like if you went for the shots, you could have won that game? And he said, I understand that my...
Ibanez makes his move. Jumper is good para kay Nino Ibanez. Meron na siyang 6 na... Kurt Calagio. Yes, sir!
Yan yung nakuha niya sa tatay niya.
Is Nino. Celis again. Jason Celis. Dakiwag. Kurt for 3. Yes, sir! 5 straight points. Para kay Kurt Calagio.
Oh my gosh, pati yung takbo. Siya ng pagkakataon, hindi niya naman pinapaya yung kanyang coach. At isang player na hindi pinapahiya ang kanyang coach.
Drops Bautista, opens the corner. Too strong. Vince Tolentino with the offensive rebound. Rises and puts it in.
Always an advantage. Ready on that mini hook by Vince Tolentino.
Jumper drops to the corner. Ed, another 3. That's good. Melencio.
He's gonna shoot this one. He should.
Finds Dakiwag. Yes, sir! Ed Dakiwag. Ibanez, pretty spin. Ubalde. Celis for 3. Yes. Oh, Jason Celis. Ibanez. Hernandez puts it in. Robin drives, floater is good.
The basketball, regardless of what number we see.
Pangasinan, a first win sa kanilang franchise. Great pass galing kay Vince Tolentino. And look at the trust. Willie Grito asking for it. Osicos, drive and the finish.
For Osicos.
Robin Avillonar, another block by Baltazar. Pangalawa na yan.
Na hindi na siya libre sa ere.
It's a great chase down block.
What an effort by Meneses on the closeout, and he will finish on the other end.
Galing.
That's the play of the game.
To Robin. Oh, nice shot.
If he could have like a breakout performance for them this year, because they got some vets, no, sa kupunan na to. Obviously, Villamor, former Dakiwag. You have Shaq Taganas, who's also a guy who can be productive. Minsan pagdating sa
Yung season natin, medyo mahaba. Ganya lays it in.
that last 5, that solid 5, you always have a chance sa ligang ito. And congratulations to Pangasinan for their first win this season.